Hello, my name's Phil. I'm going to do a little project. I've found a particularly rotten Morris minor, and we're going to do a decent repair job underneath, right here outside my house. No particularly special tools, no special knowledge really, and we're going to hopefully make it very tidy, smart looking underneath, and video it as we go, including tipping the car over on its side. So I'm not getting cherry bombed welding underneath. So we've got to take the engine out, drain the oils out, battery, washer fluid. It's easier just to take the washer bottom off, I think, on this one. And then we're going to get a couple of neighbours in and flip it over on its side. Okay, car's now ready for tipping over. Engine and gearbox removed. Takes the weight out, battery removed, brake fluid removed. I think that just about covers everything under the bonnet. Got to remember to put a bungee on the bonnet so that doesn't fly over when we tip it over. The interior is all stripped. The car doesn't weigh hardly anything at all now. And we've got the wheels there ready to tip it over onto, which is a must to stop your bodywork touching the floor. Okay, let's make final preps. Right, put them on because I'm squinting. Okay. The trick is when it goes over, you get it up to about halfway, and halfway is about there because you almost have to push it all the way over. And then I have to come around this side and make sure it's going to land in the right place. Windows are down for the videotape. Don't want them going pop, and that will make sure there's no damage whatsoever to anything else. About 2 tyres and then some cushions on tops, plenty. I think we're ready to go. Don't forget to take your hubcaps off. Right. It's quite hard from this angle.
So we're going to push it through to this balancing point, yeah?
Got to lift it up and over, yeah. Balancing point, this sill will be about shoulder height, about there, before the pressure starts to come off. And then we hold it where it is, and I'll go over and make sure it comes down all right.
Don't we all need to go around that side?
No, because you'll still need to push it all the way, literally. It won't be steady until it's almost completely over. Right, everyone ready?
Yeah.
Go, up she goes. Keep going, swap positions. Under it. Right, hold it still, hold it still. Right, relax. It should be on balance.
It is balancing, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Right, if you right, ready. Okay, if you allow it to keep pushing over, I'll start taking the weight, and then when I scream help, come around this side and help me take the weight. Yep, keep going. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Okay, beautiful. Job done. I do love it. There's no other way to do welding underneath a car. See, now you can see how bad the old girl was. Got all them bits. Homemade exhaust for the turbo. It's got to come off now. Job done. And beats getting cherry bombs. Hello again. Excuse the sunglasses, it's a bit squinty today. Well, after the hard day yesterday, I've got the car ready to go. I don't know about you, but I hate working on dirty cars, so garden pressure washer. And now we're going to wash as much of the crap off and flammable material as possible. And we're going to disappear down to get some cutting and grinding discs for the grinder, and start chopping today. Day number 2.